Right, I've just finished painting some doors with this oil-based paint, and I don't really want to clean my brush out because I'm going to have to paint some more tomorrow. So what I can do to look after the brush overnight, there's two things I could do. The first thing is just get a plastic bag, pop it in there, and then wrap the plastic around it really tight. Put it somewhere in the shade, and that'll be fine to use the next day. When you take it out, it should still be nice and soft. An alternative to that is you can get a jam jar, put some water in it, plonk your brush in the water. You really want the water up to about the top of the bristles and not onto the metal, so you don't want it to go rusty or anything. And that will probably stay soft in there for a few days even. And when you want to use it, just take the brush out of the water, give it a little shake, get a bit of scrap paper, rub it out on there, get rid of the water, and it's all fine to use again.